Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout and my background is Basil cardstock. And I'm going to use this leaf pattern as back in the background as a layering piece. And then I'm going to use that dark purple right there. I'm going to use that as my photo mats for my pictures. It's just easier to go ahead and just mat them onto a photo mat, group them all four together so they don't move around. I realized that my pictures weren't matching up because one is slightly smaller than the other one. Not sure how, since I print them all at 3.5 by 5, so I'm not quite sure how it got that way, but it did. So I'm going to trim that down. I think here I realized that my picture was crooked. Have to adjust it a little bit. Alrighty. So, trying to decide, put my pictures directly, off-center it. So I'd go with that. And I ink the edges of everything always, so now I'm going to glue all the rest. I wonder. And I was going to try to use that last piece of that green pattern, but nope. If I see messages below. Oh. 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 Wonder what that means. Sorry, I'm looking at my school email to see what they plan on doing. So they're going to change our current curriculum to to remote learning. Food for kids, collecting. Yeah. They have doing food drives for families. Good evening, Marion County. Spring break. No sooner than revised. All right. They're doing food drives so that way they can still. Time of the police report as usual. Oh, that's old. All right, sorry. All right, so anyway, these are the acetate pieces, and I backed them on white cardstock so that they will show up, because they were just, being the background is, the cardstock is purple, it just didn't quite show up very well. And the acetate pieces are Cozy Up from Hip Kit Club, and that's acetate. And that leaf pattern, I don't think I said, is Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Truly Grateful 23, number 23. The Trick or Treat and Hello is Hip Kit Club's Cozy Up exclusive puffy phrase stickers. And then I'm going to do Hello and then Ant-Man. And Ant-Man is the alphabet stickers from my stash. I'm going to use some clear phrase stickers and stars, which are from past Hip Kit Club kits. As of course I have quite the stash leftover stuff from. I got to take this apart and re-put it together because it is so wobbly. Anyway, and those are the phrase stickers, clear phrase stickers I was going to try to use. Oh, it must be Reese that I see her tail. Yep, that's Reese. I don't to let her out, which she's not out today. We have a house being built behind the house I rent, and there's trucks back and forth, so I try not to let her out when they're out there. I don't want her to get hurt. Alrighty. And that one I think says always happy, that I put down there. And I'm going to do some stars. I'm going to place them in groups of I'm doing Ant-Man. I'm doing the title first. And then I am going to place down the stars. And, excuse me, sorry, in 3 different sizes, like you would enamel dots. So I'm placing those down like in the place of enamel dots. And then once I do that, that is going to complete my layout. I've had these things forever. Oh, it's my little Ginger. I thought I was done with videos with her in there. I guess not. Missed a little goober. Anyway, so that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.